GoPro?
Yep.
Man.
Guess how much effort it took me to do.
You need to worry about getting out this down.
What do you think I'm doing? Forget you.
You also worry about your GoPro.
I'm not worried about anything.
Why are you turning your GoPro on?
Hey,
Forget you.
Hey, you're gonna get out and stand on the other side.
All right.
We'll hold you. You held me. Your feet will get wet.
Well, all right. All right.
All right. Now you're both gonna pull the canoe right over. It's gonna get out. It's gonna slide. It's gonna be beautiful.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going?
You need to help him. What?
You need to help me push this canoe over.
Put him there. Put him in the canoe.
Oh, all right. Chris, can you hand me those pedals?
All right. Stand on the dam and help him lift it up and over.
I need your help.
Yes, he needs your help.
I need your help, Chris. We need to do this. We don't have a choice.
I have a choice.
You have zero choice.
I do have a
If
choice.
you want dinner tonight, you have no choice.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, this is a dam.
All right. Right over.
Hold on.
Go to the center. Otherwise you get that
My foot is stuck.
That's good.
Right over here.
Yeah, good. Pull it forward. Right there. It'll, once it hits the...
Oh, my feet.
Oh no, they're wet.
Oh. And down.
No.
Down.
Yes.
Yes. Like a cedar point. All right. Slide it down.
Oh, wait. Keep it just like that so I can get it.
No, you're not getting in this way.
I'm not getting my feet wet.
You are.
No, I'm not.
That actually worked really well.
That works really well.
No, I'm not getting my feet wet.
I don't know what you want me to do. You want me to carry you? Would you want me to carry you?
Would you do that?
No. Vessel
If you go around and pull a bottom, walk right out on that.
No, I'm going right over here. Why should I go over there?
Because that way you weigh just a little bit more.
Nah.
I'm not
Walk
getting
out there and
You
get
got
in.
to
Otherwise your
pull
butt's
it
going to be
back
on that
down.
ledge. And it's going to be
I'll push us out. I'll push us over there.
Do whatever you want.
Yeah, no, I'll push us over there. That's fine. Let me take a look.
Can't get in first.
You're gonna have to. Cause there's rocks over there, right?
Oh, damn it.
Can I?
See where all the scratches are?
Yeah.
You can't be on top.
No, I know that.
Other than that, I don't care.
Yeah, no, that's
You
fine.
have to go between those
Yeah,
two
no,
rocks.
that's fine. We can do that.
Good. Go ahead and do it.
How'd you like this beaver dam, Kenny?
I like it. I think this is great. This is a whole new experience. I haven't done this in 15 years.
Chris, your feet wet?
Yes, my feet is wet.
Good.
Me good.
There's a canoe trip. You're supposed to have wet feet.
Now,
I don't have to have wet feet.
oh, you know what you're gonna have to do?
There's a frog.
Its feet are wet.